Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The enumerate function in Python is a built-in function that allows you to loop over an iterable, like a list or a tuple, while keeping track of the index of the current item. This is particularly useful when you need both the index and the value of the items in the iterable during iteration. Using enumerate. The enumerate function takes an iterable as its first argument and an optional starting index as its second argument. Default is 0. It returns an iterator that produces pairs of an index and the corresponding value from the iterable. Syntax. Iterable, the collection you want to iterate over, like a list, tuple, or string. Start, the starting index of the enumeration. Default is 0. Basic example. Let's look at a simple example of using enumerate with a list. Output. Starting from a different index. You can change the starting index by passing a second argument to enumerate. For example, if you want to start counting from 1 instead of 0. Output. Use cases. 1. Tracking indexes, when you need to know the position of elements while processing a list. 2. Modifying elements, when you want to modify elements based on their index. 3. Debugging, when you want to print out the index alongside values for debugging purposes. Full example, modifying list elements. Here's a more practical example where we might want to modify elements in a list based on their index. Output. Conclusion. The enumerate function is a powerful tool in Python that simplifies the process of iterating over a list, or any iterable, while keeping track of the index. It enhances code readability and efficiency, making it easier to work with collections. Whether you're modifying values, tracking indices for debugging, or simply need both the index and value for processing, enumerate is the way to go.